What's up, guys? Clay at Mallard Motors here. Going to show you some details on this truck. Before we get started with that, I wanted to remind everyone we do have a referral program where you can earn yourself $200 for sending someone to us. Just let us know ahead of time who you are, who you're sending, and when they purchase a vehicle priced over $4,000, we'll give you $200 just for sending them to us. What we got here is a 2012 model GMC Sierra Denali trim level. Black in color, and it's got a whole lot of chrome on it. Got chrome grille, chrome wheels there, chrome door handles, chrome rain guards, chrome trim around the wheel wells, chrome step bars on the side. Got fog lights on the front, tow hooks on the front. Got a bug deflector on there. It's got 20-inch chrome plated alloys on there. It's got a tow package on it, and you got some backup sensors on the back. It's got a bed liner in it. Has keyless entry. You got tan colored leather interior. Got little blinkers on the side mirrors there. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Heated and cooled seat. Got power seats in the front. Got 134,000 miles on it. Got steering wheel heater, cruise control. You got hands-free and controls for the radio over here. Got a pretty nice sized touchscreen over here. Got navigation built in. This is an aftermarket stereo, by the way. It's got Bluetooth and probably a whole bunch of other stuff I hadn't figured out yet. Got dual climate control for the front. Got power adjustable pedals. If you're interested in the truck, I'd be happy to get you some more information on it. You can call me down here at Mallard Motors, 870-639-9200. Appreciate y'all.